Hi everyone, it is me, Plantain Charlene, and today's video will be about me repotting some root-bound plants. So before we get into the video, I wanted to say thank you for watching my video. I hope you comment, like, subscribe, click the bell to see when a new video comes out. And if you are returning, thank you yet again for coming back. Okay, so I have my Syngonium confetti here that I am going to repot. I took it out of its plastic wrap. As you can see, there's some good rooting system on this plant, and it definitely needs to be potted up. So I'm going to take my good dirt, my good dirt potting mix that I purchased recently from a a site called Good Dirt, and it's already in this pot. And I'm going to get this in here. By the way, this pot is from CB2, and it doesn't have drainage holes, and it's a ceramic, so I did not I didn't drill any holes in it. What I decided to do was just put some charcoal at the bottom to pull the moisture away from the soil, so that the roots are not just sitting in the water and it's just resting at the bottom and mess up my poor plant. So what I also purchased from this brand, from this Good Dirt company, were two other things. So I got the plant biotics, and I also have their plant food, and they say that these two things combined can help the plants grow. I'll give an explanation about the plant biotics and the plant food a little later in the video. I'm just going to sprinkle, that was more than I wanted, but just sprinkle that little bit amount on there. And I already have some rainwater that I collected. See here, I have some rainwater that I collected, and where I put the plant food in there, just going to water that nicely. Bring that a little closer to the camera. Okay, next up is my calathea. I'm sorry, this is not a calathea. My Chinese Evergreen, which is not looking very happy here. I saw that even when I received this plant, that the roots were coming out the bottom, and I said I was going to replant it. So you see all of those roots, nice healthy roots too. Ooh, look at that one, that's looking real good. So as you can see, this plant definitely needs to be repotted. That's probably why these leaves are not looking their best. They don't look as good and spotty as these top leaves. And I'm getting some new growth. Got something coming here, and I know there's another one somewhere. It's coming out right in here. So I knew that I needed to repot this plant because it was not feeling really good about itself. Ooh, I can feel, I don't want to disturb these roots too much actually. I'm just going to squeeze it up a little, break them up as much as I can. Well, not as much, just a little, to help it know that it's going to have some new soil to grow through. I'm going to get my charcoal. Hold on one second. So What I've been doing when I don't have potting holes and drainage holes at the bottom, I've been putting in this horticultural charcoal, because some of these pots that I have are not meant for holes to be drilled in it easily, and I don't want to break my pots. Using a little more this time because this is a bigger plant pot than the last one. And as expected, I will water this through thoroughly. Like the last pot, like I said, the weight of the plant pot, or the weight of the plant is heavier. That's how you know that you've gotten, you put enough water into the plant where you don't have drainage holes. So this gives me an idea, so when I go to water this again, I can confirm the weight of the plant, and if it's feeling light, real lightweight, I'll know that it needs water, and I'll still check it with my finger, putting it in the dirt. Okay, last but not least will be my Hoya Kerrii. The roots are coming out the bottom of this plant as well, which I will try. Okay. So this one is potted up nicely. I'm feeling good about it. Get my plant biotics. It's not $6 million man bionics. It's biotics with a T. Spread the love. Spread the love. Rain warning this here pot. So again, I can feel the weight of the pot, which it's not heavy right now. Get that water in there. Water it nice and good. Make sure I get all the areas. And I'm going to feel that. Feels like I can add a little bit more water. Just a little, nothing major. Okay, that feels better. Yeah, that's it. There's the ticket. All the water's probably really coming down to the bottom of the pot because, yeah, it just felt a little heavier. So, there we go. Hold on. 1 second, guys. Okay, so Plant Biotics is by Good Dirt Naturals, and pretty much it says sprinkle, water, grow. And it does note that it works perfectly with their plant food, which is for indoor and outdoor plants. 1 pump into a gallon of water is all you need. Okay, so here is each plant potted up. This is the Chinese Evergreen. Here is my Hoya Kerrii. And next is the Syngonium Confetti. Here is a Dieffenbachia, I believe is called Panther, which I didn't show these last 2 plants when I repotted them, but
I wanted to show you guys the result of how cute they look in their plant potter, or potter plant, however that is supposed to be said. And here is my Piper Parmatium, however you say it. I really like how they look. I was thinking about putting something on top of the soil, but then I really like the way the soil looks nice and dark against the white. It's like a nice little contrast. So there we go. That's all of them. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the button to see when, or the bell when I put out another video. And have a good day, everyone. Keep planting.